How to use buy online, pick up in store at Kohl's. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial for buy online, pick up in store in the Kohl's. So let's get started. We can start by going to the app or the website and we can find the specific application that we would like to order. So go ahead and find it up, for example, home appliances or any other item that you would want. I would want a kitchen and dining option, for example. Let's head over there and find that specific item. After that, on the product page, while we are trying to check out, before checkout, we'll be finding an option where we can choose the color, anything else that we need with the product. After that, we can choose this option called free store pickup. We have ship to me and another option, so we need to select this first option called free store pickup, and you can go ahead and confirm your location. So go ahead and confirm your location. You can enter up your city, state, or your zip code and click on search and confirm it up, and also confirm if the item is available at that store. After that, you can add that product to cart. Click on add to cart, and you can just go over and choose the option of store pickup at checkout, and you can complete out the payment, and you will be getting emails such as your order confirmation ready for pickup. And that's it. You can just go over to the selected store once it is done and head over to the pickup counter or customer service desk and show your ID and confirmation number, and then you should be able to get it. So that's it, everybody. For now, you can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.